Welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Goldwing 1200. This bike has been a staple in the touring category for years, and the latest model promises to take comfort and performance to new heights. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Goldwing stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Goldwing 1200 showcases a sleek, modern design that blends classic touring aesthetics with contemporary flair. The streamlined body, bold LED lighting, and refined color options give it a striking presence on the road. The attention to detail is evident in every curve, making it not just a motorcycle but a piece of art. Comfort and ergonomics. Honda has prioritized rider comfort in the 2025 model. The plush seat, adjustable backrest, and spacious riding position ensure long-distance comfort. Additionally, the bike features adjustable foot pegs and handlebars, allowing riders to tailor their experience to their personal preferences. Whether you're on a weekend trip or a cross-country journey, this bike is designed for maximum comfort. Technology and features. The Goldwing 1200 is loaded with cutting-edge technology. The 7-inch TFT display provides intuitive navigation and smartphone integration, including Bluetooth connectivity for seamless audio streaming and hands-free calls. The advanced audio system delivers crystal-clear sound, enhancing your ride with your favorite tunes. Plus, the bike is equipped with an adaptive cruise control system, making long rides easier and more enjoyable. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Goldwing 1200 is powered by a robust 833cc engine that delivers impressive torque and smooth acceleration. With enhanced suspension and braking systems, riders can expect a stable and responsive ride. The lightweight frame contributes to agile handling, allowing for confident maneuverability, even in tight corners. Safety features. Safety is paramount, and Honda has equipped the Goldwing 1200 with advanced features. The bike includes collision mitigation braking, traction control, and multiple riding modes, ensuring a secure ride in various conditions. With LED headlights and improved visibility, riders can feel safe day or night. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Goldwing 1200 is an exceptional motorcycle that balances comfort, technology, and performance. Whether you're an experienced tourer or a newcomer to the motorcycle scene, this bike offers something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Bike Buzzin' channel for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe and see you on the road.